I'm gonna make weird voices and weird faces. Ah! Hello, Susan. Who's that? Ah! Hello.
Jen, you want to see where Michelle knocks out Rick?
Let's watch some Michelle. Let's watch some Michelle beat such a Rick. Let's see Michelle beat Rick up. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Oh, put on Joe again here. Oh my goodness. Look at
Jen, tell
right
the
here.
streets.
Joe, right here. Joe. Joe, oh my goodness. Ah. 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 But that was mad.
Well, that's not why I brought you in here, but I appreciate that. Yeah, look, Dawson, when you first joined the team, I wanted you to learn the game. Now that you've done that, it's time you learn the other part of being a quarterback. Leadership. So look, because leadership is
There's my video.